So this is 8 direction character movement. Zoom out a little bit. I need to fix the layering. That one's probably the only correct one. But yeah, that's correct. Interesting. I need to fix that. Oh, it works that way. Okay. Oh, interesting. No, it does mess up. Anyway, I found a little bug. But yeah, so this is 8 direction character. It sort of works. It works fine, do it a little bit at a time. So anyway, I got some bugs to work out with this. So with that said, these are from Pioneer Valley Games, and the characters here, yeah, check it out. It's pretty good. These are pretty quality, in my opinion. You got animations. This is like, it's nice. And so, yeah, using codecs and saying, here's what I want to do it. And you may need to go to like high effort reasoning, because it was not doing it on medium very successfully. So, and then I use Godot here. We have the 2D, tile map layer and yada, yada, yada. So that's in Godot. And then we got the script. I can mostly understand what it does if I look through it, but could I write this myself? Maybe with lots and lots of effort, but we live in 2026, so the future is now. And then, here's the animations. Go buy this asset pack if you want to use this stuff. The code I'll put on GitHub, you can of course look at and whatnot, but if you want to actually use these assets, go to itch.io. And I like using VS Code for Git because you can check things out. You can't, like, I use Godot, I use Git in Godot, but you can't like check out branches. So it's sort of a limitation. But yeah, with that said, here is what's going on. So anyway, go check it out. I'm working on other stuff, sort of one thing at a time, you know what I'm saying? So right now the character, I'll work on more on the terrain, and yeah, Codex is your friend here, or Claude, or whatever you use. Mac Minis, if you got some really nice fancy Mac Minis, good on you. So yeah, so that's what I'm working on. And you just basically tell the AI what you want it to do, and you just fumble around till it works. You just ride the vibes. You get it working. So that's what's up. So yeah, limitless peace. Is there anything else notable? Again, these are pretty awesome. It comes with other stuff here, which is like if you want a paper doll gump. I haven't done stuff with that yet, but they got a lot of asset packs. They have a very, the tiles have a very nice style, in my opinion. But again, this is just about getting the character working in 8 directions. So I had, through retro diffusion, you can do like 4 direction movement. I don't think they have 8 direction yet, but this is a Pioneer Valley Games on itch, PV, whatever the acronym is, games. Check it out. Yep. Now I'm going to start adding buildings and then forest. I think it's moving along, and I'm going to maybe do some pseudo 2D, or pseudo 3D. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, post any comments, any questions. It's good stuff. Check this out on itch, PV, yeah, PV games.itch.io. It is very good. It's very quality. Very quality. Look at that. That's a game right there. It's a little universe right there. So And then, yeah, make sure you back your stuff up. Use Git. Do trial and error. Be persistent. So, yeah, that is what's up. 8 direction, isometric, axionomic, diametric 2-to-1 ratio military perspective, if you want to get technical. Yeah. So, yeah, lemmatless peace.